I've been trying to make programmatic SEO content creation much easier. So I've been working on Launchman V2, and I'm excited to show kind of how this works. So let's go through an example. Here's a website, or here's an app that connects freelancers to startups and new workers. It's called Better Hire. Let's see how they can create a PSEO strategy. So let me create a site in Launchman, and in here, in the site, I can have multiple collection of pages. So pages that answer different query types based on my customer. I can have one collection that says top 10 developers to hire for X, or another one called 6 careers with X salary, and on and on and on. Let's start with a simple one. Just add a collection for top 10 X to hire in 2023. Make the same description as well. So each collection has its own data and its own page layout, the way the page layout looks. So first thing we need to do is connect our data source. I've already prepped an Airtable with 3 rows that have different job roles and their pertaining information. So an image for them, the role name, what they do, and the location they're available in. So we're going to connect this into our collection right now. The way to do that is copy the URL, go to settings, that's the base URL, and connect my API key for Airtable, and do that as well, save it. So once I do that and sync the data, my data will be imported in from Airtable here. The next thing to do is create pages. You open up the page designer. So now I can start saying top 10 freelancers to hire in 2023. So this kind of title is great, but I want to be more specific with my pages. So I want to have top 10 developers to hire in 2023, top 10 freelance, top 10 marketing, iOS, etc. For that, Launchman gives you hints at the bottom here. This data comes directly from Airtable, so I can say top 10 and add in role, and it replaces takes this value for role from the Airtable here, role right here, and it replaces it in real time. You can also scrub through all the different variations. So marketing, iOS. So now I have 3 pages for the 3 rows that I have in the table. Let's continue on building our page. I will make a spacer, then a text called why should I hire a, and then we'll put in role. Make this h2, and we can come back and add another text saying paragraph. We should be hiring a role because they can, and I have a job role function for each of the rows. So there we go. So each of the rows have a description of what they're useful. So there we go. Imagine we can keep on extending on our page, add more content, and make it dynamic, and then scrub through how each of them looks. Then at the bottom here, we can also customize the meta description for each of the pages. And again, you can use the data from the Airtable. So I can do in here for slug, I want to do /hire/slug. So hire developer, marketing, iOS design. Same thing for here, hire the best role. Let's call this better hire. And we'll do the same thing for the description as well. Once I'm done, once I'm happy with the page, I can save. What this has now done is not only save the way the page looks, but it's created new pages for us. So these are the created pages. If I click on this now, you can see our page is now available at /hire/developer, and the content shows up as well, plus the right title. So if I just switch over to marketing, that page is also there. But I can also come into my page designer and change my content here, save it again, reload, and the changes show instantly. Same thing I can do with the slug. So I can do /hire to /jobs, which means this will show 404. If I go to /jobs /marketing, my content shows again. So this is a good little example to see how Launchman makes creating programmatic content much faster and easier. I'd love for you to try it out as well. I mean, it's in beta right now. So yeah, thanks so much.